Hey guys, you are welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm so glad to have you. You are absolutely welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make this very thick, healthy and delicious Zobo drink. Without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into it. Hi, my name is Abisado and you're welcome to my channel. First, we'll go through all of the ingredients, and the first, of course, is the hibiscus leaves, also known as Zobo leaves. Then I'm going to be using some pineapple for sweetening, and also for the benefits of pineapple, ginger bulbs. I'll leave the benefits of every ingredient we're using in the video, so do not skip any part so you don't miss it. Lastly, I'm going to be using some whole cloves. Now it's time for preparation. The first thing we're going to do is to cut the pineapple, and then we're going to cut the peel off. But mind you, we're not going to discard this peel. Yes, you're going to use the pineapple peel. Did you know that the peel of a pineapple has so much benefits? I'm going to put you through some of them. It has high level of vitamin C, which serves as an immune booster. It helps to suppress cough. It helps to fight bacteria in your body. It helps to aid digestion. It helps to fight joint pain. It helps your vision. It helps to strengthen your bones. It contains high level of magnesium, which helps to grow and strengthen your teeth in terms of oral health. It helps with blood. It's also said to help with fertility. There are so many benefits. You can always Google them. So now I'm just going to finish peeling parts of the pineapple, and then I'm going to transfer the peel into a bowl, add some water and leave it to soak so that all the dirt can start to sink to the bottom. Next, I'm going to be cutting the pineapple in small sizes just because I want it to be easy to blend. We're going to be blending the pineapple later on in the video. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's the red button on the right. It does not cost you anything. It is free and it's going to take you less than 3 seconds. And also hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Now that I'm done chopping the pineapple, I'm going to go ahead to wash the peel. And you want to wash this thoroughly, if possible 3 or 4 times, till you don't have any more dirt in the water. Yes, that's how much you want to wash it, so you ensure that you're not transferring any more germs into your zobo. Another tip when you're buying your zobo leaves is to look out for the ones that are dark red and very rich in color. Now I just added water into the zobo leaves, and I'm going to leave this to soak for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to wash this through running water for about 3 or 4 times. Don't worry, it's not going to lose its color, it's not going to lose its taste. We're just trying to get rid of all the dirt and all the particles that come with this leaf, because they're dry, so they tend to have all those insects and all those particles. So after washing it, and you've washed it about 3 or 4 times, you're going to transfer it into your pot. I went ahead to add water into this pot. You can add as much water as you want, or depending on how big your pot is or how much quantity of zobo you want to achieve. But this is the water I added, and as you can see, without boiling, the color is already red. So now I'm going to add in my cloves. Then I'll go ahead to put this on the stove, and I'm going to boil this for 20 minutes. So now this is after 20 minutes, and you can see how dark and rich this color is. It is looking so beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead to add in the pineapple peel. Let's briefly go through some of the benefits, the health benefits of the Zobo drink. The Zobo drink helps to manage high blood pressure. It helps to reduce menstrual pain in women. It has anti-inflammatory agents which help fight bacteria. It helps reduce your cholesterol. It helps protect your liver. It helps with fertility in both men and women. It has antibacterial agents. It has anti-cancer properties and so much more. So now that I'm done adding the pineapple peel, I'm going to put this back on heat for not more than 5 minutes. You don't want to boil it so much after adding the pineapple peel. Now it's time for us to blend the pineapple, and I'm going to be adding the ginger and some water. We already know that ginger is very great. It has antioxidants and helps with blood pressure so much more. So you can imagine all the good things you are putting together in this Zobo drink. Here's our pineapple and ginger blend, and we're just going to set this aside. Then we'll turn off the heat from our Zobo, and here it is ready. So you can see how dark it is looking and vibrant. Now we're just going to sieve the shaft from the juice. I'm using a strainer. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use that. I do not like to use cheesecloth because the color can get so bad. You need to be careful around Zobo. If you have like a white countertop, or you have, white things around you, you have to be very careful because this color can be very difficult to get rid of once it stains, the surface. So now, after draining the Zobo, I'm going to also drain the pineapple and ginger mix. I like to add this fresh because it's meant to be a sweetener. I don't want to add it while it is boiling, so it doesn't take out too much of the sweetness, if you understand what I mean. So this is the best way to add your pineapple into your ginger drink, trust me. So now I'm just going to mix it together. You can leave your Zobo this way without adding anything. It tastes good. But for me, I'm going to be adding just 2 tablespoons of sugar because the people in my home, they like a bit of more sweetness. But this is not overpowering, trust me. It did not taste too sweet. I did not add too much sugar. So add your sugar when it's hot so it's going to dissolve easily. And then I just tasted it a bit just to see how potent the sugar was, but it wasn't so much. I was satisfied with that. I'm just going to put this, in a container and refrigerate this. And now it's time to serve our Zobo. This has been refrigerating for about 6 hours, but I'm still going to be using some ice cubes, and I'm just going to go ahead to pour my Zobo into my cup. If you're yet to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what other recipes you would like me to film in the comment section. Share this video also to your friends and family, and enjoy your Zobo drink. I added a slice of cucumber just to make it fancy. Zobo drinks do not have to be boring. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.